So friends, today I'm going to show you the one of the most beautiful university of Turkey, the Karabuk University. The first building you can see behind me, this is the rector office which managing the whole university functionality. Faculty of Medicine. So this one is foreign language department. Before moving forward, I want to tell you some important information. There are more than 52,000 students are doing study here, and not only this, there are more than 16 faculty. There are more than 16 faculties are there. Right now you cannot see too many students here because right now it's summertime, it's vacation time. Mostly people went to their houses, and right now only those students you can see who is doing summer courses or just they are doing language courses only. So let's go forward. So friends, right now I can show you the two different departments in the same building. There you can see the Turkish literature building department is here, and the second you can see economic and management department is here in the same building. So this one is the university bank, Ziraat Bank ऐसे. You can see behind me Islamic study building, Islamic study department here. In my opinion, this is the second most important building of this university. It's student affair building, it's international office, and also you can see there the language course department, language course classes here. Now let me show you the most beautiful building of this university, and I think one of the most beautiful library of the world, the Karabuk University Library. Most of you want to see this building, I'm sure, because this is a engineering building where you can see all engineering departments. Karabuk University have its own stadium where students play multiple type of games. I'm sure you like the video. If there's any problem in the video, just do a comment. I will answer you, inshallah. So like my video, subscribe my channel. Inshallah, see you soon in the next video. Goodbye. Take care.